Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel. This is Angela Serendipity Art, where we craft with the heart. And now my new channel name is Angela Serendipity Art Journals. Why? Because we're going to be in the month of June doing tutorials of my art journals. I'm going to try to do process videos. They're going to be short ones. Some can be ASMR. I'm learning how to do that. But I'm here because I was contacted by this company. It's called, I hope I'm pronouncing the name, IEEBEE. I tried to do this video, so it came well packed, everything like this. And they are a company from China, where they have everything: tools, washi tape, ephemera, sticker, pet stickers, papers, all kinds of stuff. All the information will be in the description down below. There is one that is an affiliate link where you can get 10% off of the total of your 10% off of the total of your purchase. And there's but that's a referral code, and I have a code that you can go to your website on your own, but if you use my name Angela, you get 30% off. So or if you don't want to use any of them and don't want to, you can go on your own. There's going to be the link to the store. So I will have the 3 links, so you can use my referral link, my code, and also my the link to the store. The people I've been talking to, Francie, she's been very nice. They told me to pick the reason. I know what I picked, but I wanted to pick, there was so much to choose from, but I wanted to show you, let's see if my phone let me. Everything that you can find in the store. This is the store. I hope you can see okay there. There's not too much of a glare. There. And they have washi tapes. They have packing, the packing. Here is everything they have. They have washi tape, creative material, DIY tool, planners and notebook, mega value pack. And you can register, and like I say, you can use my codes and you can get a discount. Or if you want to use the same line but get 30% off, use my name Angela, all in capital letters. And the other one is an affiliate link that I get some commission if you use that link. It's entirely up to you where you want to sit. It's very easy to navigate. Another thing that this company IEEBEE had is that they're very conscious, and some of the money that they get, they donate for the ecosystem. They are very clean with a footprint of pollution, not polluting or anything. So they manage their waste well, and also, like I say, they donate to Shopify plant, and a percentage of what they make to help with global warming. And they are a very nice company. Like I said, they have, I love what they have to say, that they say um, that they have a motto, but this week they're celebrating the Children's Day, so you can find a lot of stickers and washi tapes and project for kids. They have an awesome, it was so hard. They have the Monet, they have a Van Gogh set of washis. Look how gorgeous they are. There it is. I was tempted, but I picked, and they have a Monet one for those who like. So, all the information is going to be below, but I picked something totally different. So, it came packed perfectly. It got here yesterday, in a Sunday. It got here safe, well packed. Look how cute the bag is. It's purple, good color. It has a B. It's called IEEBEE. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it well. So it got here really, really, really fast. We talked, and I think in a week I had my order here. So let's see what we have in here. Okay, so the first thing I see here is their logo. It's IEEBEE. IEEBEE. It has a B on it. And it gives you, I don't know if this comes with every order. It says, breathe art into every moment by IEEBEE. That's their motto. Thanks for choosing IEEBEE. I think you get this little book. It's an inspirational book with 100 ways how to use washi. And you can see it's very nice. It looks like a mini magazines. It gives you examples of all the different washis they have, how to use it in your journals, in your hobbichinis, on your planners. Not only in that, like even in your different things, they give you example how to decorate some of your home goods, frames, and everything. So I picked, this is the washi tape box. Look how gorgeous it is. It is in a black and foiled. It comes with a belly band. Very professional with breathe and art every moment. Into every moment. That's their logo, their motto, and their name. And I took this box of washi tape. It came all wrapped, but I took all the wrapped. It came on this, each bundle came wrapped in this crinkly paper. I unwrapped it to a boy. But when I saw you get 27 washis, when I opened this box, I was in awe. The quality of the box is sturdy. You can use the box for so many. It can decorate in your room. And then here you can see the logo, and it says add color to your creativity. You get a sampler of the washis, the 27 washis, so you know which one, how it looks like, and you don't have to do your own put them in a piece of paper to see what it is, each one, or what they look. I love black, and I don't find a lot of black washi. This box is called the collection Astro Enchantment. It comes with 27 rolls. The tape length is 3, I don't know if it's meters or centimeters, and you get different width. You get 1 centimeter, 1.5, 2.5, and they are washies. So as I show you here, they come with your swash. You don't have to swatch them. They come already swatched. That was the word that I was looking for. Look, it matched with my phone. Here, you can see how pretty they are. There is, even though it says astrological, you have here different kinds that are like this square one you can use for anything. Look at the one with the moon. There is hearts. There is one with stars that you can use. There's one with leaves. And let's just pull one out and see the quality of it. I am going to put it on this piece. Let's just put it here. I have this tool. They didn't send me this tool, but this tool, they have it. I love this tool. This tool, you can guide with your hand like you want it, and it will, oh, let me put it the other way because it's easier for me to see what I'm doing. So you just cut here. You see? And then look how beautiful that is. And if you don't want to waste this, the quality, look, even is in a piece of cardstock. You can put it here, and let's say you want to use this, and you have to learn how to use this. I put my finger here, but I can go like this. If all I want to use is this, let's say I want to just use oops, I didn't cut well there, but it doesn't matter. Look how, I apologize. But look, you can cut some of the, I will put it here now. If you want to cut part of the, just add the feather, you can do that with the washi tape, and you still can use this in a little piece of a little piece of your paper. And the quality is, you can pull it off and pull it out, and trust me, it's perfect. I like the quality. It's a good quality washi. It's not breaking in pieces or get stuck or anything. And you have 27. I like this black. I'm going to be doing in my astrological journal a page so you can see me using this product, because washi is not only what they have. They have ephemera and stickers that you can use. And look how this beautiful box that can decorate your room. Imagine having all these boxes, this beautiful presentation. You can put it on your desk or in an area, and it will decorate. It's amazing. Plus you got the book. Okay, the other thing that I have to just put this, they have this tool too. I will put the link to this tool because this tool is very handy. I use it a lot. They didn't send me that tool, but I saw that they have it, and I thought, okay, these people know what they're doing. Okay, this is called You Are Not Enough Yesterday, Enough Yesterday. And these are 200 pieces. 80 pieces are vellum stickers, and the other ones are ephemera. I'm going to use my little tray. I have a tray here. So we can get this out. You get 200. I think 80 of them is, and this is called not something about yesterday. I will put the link below. And you get some that are stickers, vellum stickers. Okay, and look at this package. It's made that you can protect. So like I say, I picked this one because I saw the moons. They have all these are stickers. Did you see the shiny? You remove the shiny, and then you take your, if you have a pair of tweezers, you take your pair of tweezers and you place it, and you use that to take that off. So you got moons. Look, all these are the stickers. Have the different planets. Mercury, Earth, Saturn. So you have all those. You have, here is more of those. These are, you have, get these numbers. This can be used to anything. 5.5, 2 for 50 cents, 26 cents. And then look at this beautiful. Are they gorgeous? This little mini tags. And this, look, the Electric Light Orchestra. Remember that? If you're from the 80s, you know what I'm talking about. And these are all stickers. So you get stickers of different sizes. These are like tags. These are squares of different. There's another tag here. And they are all stickers. And they're vellum stickers. Look at these, how cute these are. Look at this one. So you get all sizes. These are also stickers. Longer stickers. Square. You get strips. Look at the strips. How gorgeous are they? Look at this one. This is one of my favorite ones. And you get the little hole that you can, it looks like tickets. Then we get into the ephemera. This is, and you get different sizes. For example, you get this big size, and it has different topics that they're not all from the moon. You get, these is like a 4x6. Then you get maps. You get information about the planets. There is, oh, this is gorgeous. These are the part of the boat. Here's the boat, and it tells you United States Patent Office and what each part, the more information about, more about the boat. Then you get these long ones. There are emergency tickets, Crossley Files, Cincinnati, Ohio. They're like labels. It's Amazing. Black and white. Look at that, how gorgeous it is. Long strips. You get tags of all kinds of colors and sizes. Labels. White labels. You get these square ones with different images. It's insane, the amount of things. Circles. All these are stickers. You get 80 stickers and then 120 of this. And you can get the washies to match. So, and like I'm telling you, this tool is in the site. It's an awesome tool to use, especially if you're doing, when you see the project I'm going to work with, be up looking for that video. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, give me thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it below. If you feel like this is a happy, it is a nice product, please, so far the quality, the presentation, everything looks amazing. And you know I'm going to give you my honest opinion. If I don't like something, I will tell you no. The amount that you get for the price is fantastic. So, like I say, all the information will be in the description box below. And look for this company. There's a link if you want to go with the link and don't use my referral one. Or if you want to get 30% off of your order, use my name, Angela, all in capital letters. But remember, the referral link is I get something for it. So thank you very much. Thank you, Francie, for giving me the opportunity to represent your company and collaborate with you. This is amazing. I saw it in the website, but it's even prettier in person, and the quality, I'm telling you, it is fantastic. So thank you very much to everyone to support my channel. Thank you if it's the first time here. Welcome to the Serendipity family. We have a lot of fun. There's going to be a lot of content here starting June, and 2 videos at least of me doing my journals and any hauls or any things that I found. And I hope that you look at this company because it's worth every penny. And thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. And don't forget, like I always say, stay safe, stay happy, stay crafty. I see you soon on my next video. Bye.